Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Folks, this is another site, 11 kilowatt, here in Bahria Enclave Sector C1 on the road A3. We have just completed it, the installation of the solar panels and structure. These are 625 watts solar panels of Trina, A grade tier 1 quality. As you can see, Alhamdulillah, the top tier work again. We have used 7 girders of Mughal, 30 plus kg each, 16 gauge of the crossbar bars, and 14 gauge for the galvanized GI channels.